Welcome everyone, my name is David Yoakum, Academy Director at Bellis Academy in Manhattan, Kansas. And this is video number 2 of our video series on how to use the Memberlink system. If you haven't seen video 1, I recommend that you see that video first. It'll teach you how to log in. This is video number 2, and under video number 2, we're actually going to learn how to seek out a member and add them to our contact list, how to send that member a message, go to the group page and see which groups you're in, select the group page, load up a document or resource to the resource page, and that will be a few steps that we'll do in this video. So I'm going to go down to the Memberlink system and click on AACS Memberlink. If you've already logged in, it'll take you to your Memberlink My Dashboard. On the dashboard page, if you look up here, a couple things about the home page. My Dashboard will always take you back to this page. If you click on Home, this will take you back out to the AACS home page. I just wanted to show you how that worked, and I'll click back on Memberlink, take us back into the dashboard. And I'm going to click on Members to show you how to search a member and add them to your contact list. I'm going to search for Alan Anderson, who's on our annual convention team. Alan's name will show up down here in the results, and when you're searching, you can search by organization name, by city. If you want to search out members in your state, you can do that as well. And I searched by name, so I pulled up Alan's name, and I'll show you how to add him to the contact list. Click on his name, and if you follow the cursor up here to the right hand side, you can see Add Contact. Click on Add Contact, and I'll send Alan a quick message. And it says I want to add you to my contact list. I click on Request Contact, and it's that simple. I send out a request to add Alan to my contact page. Now what I want to show you is how to send a message to a member in your contact list. And I'm going to slide over here to My Contacts, scroll down to View All Contacts, and currently I have Raphael in my list, and I'm going to click on Raphael's name and send him a message. If you slide the cursor up to the right, you'll see you can remove contact. This is a way to delete someone off your contact list, or you can send message. And we're going to click on Send Message. And I simply typed in this a test email, and I'm going to click on Send. This works similar to email, except it will email inside the Memberlink system. Now I'm going to take it back up to my dashboard, and I'm going to show you a couple more things in this video. We're going to go to the group page, and I'm going to show you how to add a resource to a group page. So if you're in a group and you'd like to load up a document for your team or your group to view, it's real simple. And what we're going to do is I'm going to click on State Relations Team, use this one as an example. And if you look up across here, there are tabs, and the one we're going to work with today is called Resources. When you click on the resource page, I'm going to show you a couple things. You can see there are several documents loaded already to the group resource page, and you can click on those, open up the documents, and download them. And it looks like there's 2 pages of resources on this group. And what I'm going to do is slide over to Add Resource, this green button, click on Add Resource, and we're going to load up a file that I made for this video. And for resource name, I'll just type in sample document, and I'll slide the cursor over to Choose File to load the file up, and I made one called Video Number 2 Resource Page. And then just simply click on that and click on Open. That loads the document up, and this is a category page, and this is just going to be an educational tool, but you can see there's different selections that you can make for the category. I'll do educational tools, and this is important when you're loading a document. You need to put your tag words with commas, and it shows an example there. I'm just going to type in a tag word called sample. I'll just put sample document list. And we'll just call this a sample for video number 2, AACS Memberlink training. Under privacy, there's a couple things I want to go over. You should select the privacy that relates to the document and who you want to view it. If you select public, it will actually be viewable by everybody in AACS. If you select private, it's only available to the group that you have selected, and we're under the State Relations team, so this will be viewable only to them. Select private and click on Create Resource. And it says now this resource is part of the State Relations team group. And we'll slide over here to view group resources. And again, you can see all the resources that are loaded on that page. That's it for video number 2. We're going to try to keep these short, but that shows you how to add a member, send a message, and load a resource to the group page. Thank you very much. And again, if you have any questions or need assistance with the Memberlink system, feel free to contact our AAC office and work with our great team out there. Thank you.